Hey, this is Jen Boyd, and in this video, we'll be talking about cleaning up the unseen energy in your life that affects the flow of energy in all areas of your life, so you can get back to feeling joy, ease, and feeling in the flow. Have you ever heard the Bissell slogan, "Life is messy, clean it up"? Well, it's true. However, I'm not talking about vacuuming your house. I'm talking about cleaning up the unseen energy that has settled into your home from thoughts, tough experiences, even stuff you may pick up from other people in life or life in general. Life can be messy at times, and the unseen energy can feel messy or heavy or even chaotic. And Feng Shui is all about creating positive energy flow and going with the Tao, which is the flow of life. And according to the Tao, life is all about ease and grace and flow. So when we feel out of balance, it's a wonderful opportunity to pause and recalibrate. Let me ask you this. Have you ever felt like there is stuck or stagnant energy in your home? Or that you have ever felt like something is just not happening in your life, that it seems like it should be flowing a little bit easier? Have you ever felt like you've come home from being somewhere and then felt a little out of balance, but not sure why? First, let me explain that Feng Shui means wind-water. And wind represents the unseen energy in our life, our thoughts, our energy, our feelings. And water represents the seen energy, which is our physical environment. The seen and unseen energies work together. And due to the nature of life, we sometimes pick up energy from other people. Like you might go on a trip and you're in an airport, or you spend time with people who you don't know very well, or maybe you have people at your house. It could also be that perhaps someone in your family goes through a tough time or experiences turmoil. And though we can't see this uneasy energy, we can feel it, and it can disrupt our own personal energy and end up in our homes, which can feel a little unsettling. And when this happens, we may feel unfocused, like life has slowed down, or life gets weird and we can't figure out how to shake it off. All that unseen energy from other people and life experiences has settled like an invisible dust pile in your house. It's like a rug that may not look dirty, but it's filled with dirt and dust. You don't even know it's there, except that you feel like you're in a funk, or that you may notice that things in your life feel a little bit off in some way, or that it feels like life is not flowing the way it normally would. Somewhere along the way, the energy has lost its joy. And remember, according to the Tao, life is all about joy and ease and flow. So can you relate to any of these feelings or scenarios? I know I have experienced this in my own life, and I've helped my clients with this very thing. And I'll tell you, the key in this scenario is to clear the energy flow, the unseen energy. The remedy is not to place a bunch of new intentions. The cure is all about cleaning the actual energy and creating a new flow. In my Harmony Blueprint program, I teach my clients in depth how to conduct a beautiful space clearing completely to reset the energy in your home. But for the sake and simplicity of this video, I'll share a few quick tips to clean up the unseen energy so you can get back to feeling happy and in the flow. So the first thing is to sage your space and yourself, or even light Palo Santo. Both of these work. And you gently swirl them around you and release old energy. And yes, you want to begin with yourself. Clear your own energy field. The other great way to clean your own energy is meditation. Meditation is wonderful. The second thing you want to do is actually break up the old energy by walking through your home and clapping, or even ringing a bell. This is my bell. You want to shake up and break up that old energy. And then be sure to open the windows and let it all out. You might even want to light a candle to soften the energy. Lighting candles reduces negative ions in the space. And most importantly, you want to refocus your energy to joy and love. Yep, recalibrate to joy. Find the joy that you feel right now in this moment. Refocus your thoughts on what is working. The last thing is to write a new script. Take a moment and write down a script of exactly what you'd like to happen and how you would like this to resolve and how you would like life to be. Then get excited that this new joy is actually happening. The last idea is to breathe deeply and simply smile. Relax into the new energy, let go, and let this new energy rise. As simple as this sounds, there is a good chance this will help you get back to feeling back to your happy place. And as you clear the unseen energy, you will find how much this can positively change your life, your mindset, and your overall flow of energy in your life. And with that, I conclude this video. I sincerely hope this video was helpful. If you are new to my channel, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that little bell over there so that you'll be notified when I post a new video. And be sure to leave me a comment. Ask me a question. Let me know what you thought about this video so that I know what videos to create in the future. And I'm super excited to announce that a few spots have opened up for the free one-to-one 45-minute Feng Shui discovery sessions with me. These calls are designed to diagnose what's happening with the energy in your home and begin to create a plan to open up the energy blocks. And we can also see if the Harmony Blueprint would work for you. Be sure to click the link in the description to sign up for this call, and let's see how I can help you optimize the energy in your home. And the Harmony Blueprint is all about helping you to create a peaceful home and a beautiful home to help you improve your prosperity, relationships, and well-being. And we really focus on how to open up those energy blocks, because that's where all the stuck energy is. And once we get those open, life really starts to flow. And this is what we help our clients do every day. And I know this is possible for you as well. So be sure to sign up for your free one-to-one Feng Shui discovery in the description. I'd really love to help you create a great plan. My free Facebook group is open, so be sure to click the link in the description. It's such a great community, and it's growing by leaps and bounds every day, and it's a great way to connect with me on a personal level. I really hope to see you there. So until next time, stay in the flow, and remember, the answers are always right in front of you.